Hi everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations, coming on today with hashtag 2 crafters 1 design, hosted by myself, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we have a theme. This week's theme is monochromatic. Next week's theme will be bird. This week I am also adding one more hashtag in there. So we have our hashtag 2 crafters 1 design, Jillian Norwood's hashtag, which is hashtag Satmorn Makes. I am also entering this into hashtag snowmen in January 2025. If I have it wrong, it'll go across the screen, or you can just use the hashtag down below. All right, so I am using Impression Obsession dies. This one is called Square Tree Window, and really like that. I recently picked that up before they closed. And then from the Fox and Bird die set, which is from Cottage Cuts, I'm using that little bird. From My Creative Time, I am using the Little Miss Snow Lady. I believe that's right. And if you'd like to use my code MOE, you can get 10% off your total purchase or 15% off on release weekends. I am also using Mr. Snowman from My Creative Time, and I'm using this stamp here, Happy Winter. And then from Avery Ale or Paper Smooches, I am using this die here from Sizzix, which is a Tim Holtz alteration. I'm using the largest one there. And then from Peachy Keen Stamps, I want to say I'm using the 5/8 size face, and I'm using that right there, I do believe. And those are all my products. And here goes this adorable little card I created. I tried to do the monochromatic theme justice, but I had to add just a smidget of color for his face. But I thought it still turned out adorable. And if you look really close, there goes that little bird. Got some snowflakes there. And then everything else is in white. Now I have two different color whites. One white is from this is from Joann's, that grayish looking color, but it's supposed to be white. And then the other one is from Nina. It's Nina white, and I believe that's what I used for that white. But I wanted a variation in color so I can get some depth there. And then, like I said, this is the only thing that I added color to, which was his face. Because let's face it, a snowman needs a face. And so I put that one on there, and I thought he was just adorable. There goes the inside. And then that's just about it. So if you have the time, make sure you enter into our collabs. And like I said, there's 3, so look at the links down below. And I'll have the ladies' links down below to their channels as well. And yeah, that's all I have for you. So make sure you use those hashtags. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.